Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use VEO3 in the CapCut PC. So if you want to create an AI video with realism, consistency, and detail to the videos, here I'm going to show you where to find the integrations in a CapCut PC so you can create a realistic AI video. Now let's just get started. Here on a CapCut PC, you can just head into the AI video button in here on the CapCut PC homepage. Click on AI video. And then here for the model to use VEO3, you can just click on the drop down and here you'll easily spot VEO3. So VEO3 supports a dialogue and sound effects. You can just click on the models in here. You can adjust the durations. Now it's only support in 8 seconds. You can change the aspect ratio. You can go with 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels or TikTok. Now you can just import image or just describe the video that you want to generate. In here, I'm going to just use this description. I'm going to go with text to video here. Don't forget to click on text to video. So I'm using this from a stop motion animations of a grumpy claymation squirrel frantically gathering a pile of giant acorns that keep rolling away. Bright, cheerful primary colors. And here I'm asking VEO3 to also add the sound, comical, fast-paced plop, and rolling sound effects. Here you can just tap on generate and the VEO3 will create the video. But as you guys can see, you need to have some credits to generate a video using VEO3. You need 544 credits. So I only have 500 credits left, so I cannot generate it using VEO, only another models. So if you want to create video in CapCut using VEO, you can just buy some more credits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.